Chicken and gravy is a classic comfort food dish that is easy to make and tastes delicious. Here's a simple recipe to make chicken and gravy at home. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, ½ teaspoon dried thyme, 2 cups chicken broth, salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper, and then coat them in flour. Heat the butter and olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the chicken breasts to the skillet and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side or until browned. Remove the chicken from the skillet and transfer it to a baking dish. Bake the chicken in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it is cooked through. While the chicken is baking, make the gravy. Add the diced onion to the skillet and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes translucent. Add the minced garlic and dried thyme and cook for another minute. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of flour over the onion and garlic mixture and stir well to combine. Slowly pour in the chicken broth, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Continue to whisk until the mixture thickens and comes to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and let the gravy simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes or until it reaches your desired thickness. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes. Serve the chicken with the gravy on top. Enjoy your delicious and comforting chicken and gravy.